Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlock the Dark Angel Edgar skin in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The Dark Angel Edgar skin is one of the newest skins released in this update, and it's actually a hypercharged skin. When we go to our brawlers, go to Edgar, then to skins. We can go ahead and find the skin. It is not yet available in my region, but I will show you the steps how you can get this skin. So then we go on try and then training grounds, and here we can actually see how amazing this new skin is. So this is the normal version of the skin. It already looks very cool with a black wing and a nice. So how do we actually unlock this amazing skin? Well, there are two ways to unlock this skin. The first way to unlock this skin is to go to the shop, and you will see the offer once this skin arrives in your region to get the hypercharged skin for free. However, we will first need to buy a few angelic drops. In total, we will need to buy 10 different steps, totaling an amount of 2,000 gems, which is a lot. And if you don't plan on spending actual money on this game, I do not advise you to buy this as it is very expensive. I think it's even over $100 to actually get this, so I advise you to not do this. However, if you are already planning on buying money on this game, then this is a nice little gift. However, there's also a way to get this hypercharged skin for completely free. And that is because this hypercharged skin Dark Angel Edgar can be obtained in an angelic or demonic star drop. So I advise you to play the game as much as possible and at least get your free daily star drops every single day to maximize your chances of getting this skin for completely free. Now, if you haven't already, there are also two free shops. We have one angelic drop and also one demonic drop for completely free. So if you haven't claimed those already, I advise you to do so. So that's basically how you can unlock the Dark Angel Edgar skin in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.